Gloria! Tabita didn't waste time at the break, and in second we have Yes Mayor moving up around the outside. Now is a Makabayan, and a length back and forth comes entry number 1, and that is Birthday Gift. Tabita the leader by about 2.5 lengths. Makabayan in second, and in third Yes Mayor, a length back and forth to entry number 1, and that is Birthday Gift as they pass the last 700. Tabita by about 2 lengths. Makabayan remains in second, and in third still is a Yes Mayor. Birthday Gift. Piyaw now arriving to the race too, but Vita is still in control, leads by about 2 lengths over Makabayan in second. Moving up now around the outside is a Piyaw. Vita by about 2 lengths, and in second Makabayan. Piyaw moving up on the outside. Birthday Gift is also in there. And down the stretch they come. Tabita followed now by Piyaw to grab the lead. Piyaw now takes the lead from Tabita and Yes Mayor Makabayan. And finally, Piyaw. Second close between Birthday Gift and Makabayan. Then comes Yes Mayor, role model for your Pentapecta.